Hello, everybody. Billionaires Cloud FX here. So today I actually want to talk about spot metals. As you can see, I'm on the XAUUSD, which is the gold pair. I entered today at this entry level, as you can see, and this is where the market is at right now. As you can see, I'm gonna show you the trade. I'm currently on 55,000 pounds. And this is just from today. This is just for a trade for today. And the whole of last week I actually didn't trade gold or any of the spot metal pairs because I couldn't find the right pattern. I couldn't find the right trend. I couldn't find the right setup, so I decided not to go in. And that's the one thing that I always keep saying is that always wait for the right setup, especially when it comes to spot metals. You know, and if you guys didn't know, spot metals are actually driven by supply and demand. You know, spot metals are kind of different from your foreign exchange pairs, you know, but the difference is not that much, but there is a difference. Trust me when I say there is a difference. But all I can say is spot metals are easier to manage than Forex. So especially when it comes to the gold pair, which is the XAUUSD, you know. And most of the time, the metal is the one that's gonna drive the pair. Um, the only exception is gonna be when there's major news for the dollar pair, you know. And when I mean major news, I say except the interest rate because we all know how the interest rate is when it comes to the dollar pair. It's always unpredictable. You can never predict the interest rate. And another thing is that trend trading in terms of spot metals is still always the best. You know, it's still always the best. As you can see, it's just one trade in a day, guys. Just one trade in spot metals can be better than taking 10 trades on different kind of pairs on Forex, you know? And it's just better. Trading spot metals is just less stress for you. You know, yes, you gotta learn the markets, yes, you gotta learn about spot metals. But trust me when I say spot metals is where the money is. As you can see, I'm on 62,000 pounds right now, you know, and I mean, what else can you want from spot metals? It's and on the foreign exchange pairs, you most of the time you only get these kind of results when you're trading fundamentals. When you're not trading fundamentals on the foreign currency pairs, you don't get these kind of results. You can only get about $65,000 on the foreign exchange if you're trading fundamentals. But on spot metals, each and every day or any other day where you can spot the pattern, when you can spot the trend, and have the right entry into the market, then trust me, you're gonna reap the rewards. Trust me when I say it's worth it to trade spot metals. Take your time, study the spot metals, especially gold pair, study it, if you want to know more about how to trade spot metals, contact us, get in contact with me. I'll start from the basics of trading spot metals because, like I said, there's a difference between trading spot metals and trading Forex. You can't just use the same methods that you use on trading your foreign currency pairs, you know. But trust me when I say it's gonna be worth it. I mean, I keep the numbers just keep going up, and you can see for yourself. And as you can see on a chart, this is where I entered. If you see, this is where I entered, and look at it. I'm just patient on this day, and soon enough. I know soon enough it's gonna go to over 70,000. As you can see, it just went over 70,000 pounds. Just in one day, and this is a 1 day trade. I'm gonna close it today. You know, hopefully it's gonna be over 80,000 pounds by the time I close it, but Trust me when I say spot metals is where you should put your concentration on. Spot metals is where you should take your attention to. You know, stop going to different kinds of currency pairs, expecting patterns. You know, just concentrate on spot metals and you will not regret it. You know, just come to us, let us help you trade spot metals the way spot metals are supposed to be traded, and take it from there. It's all about learning the basics. It's all about learning how to trade spot metals, and it's the easiest money you're gonna make once you put in the hard work. At first, yes, at first you're gonna have to learn the markets. You're gonna have to learn about spot metals. You're gonna have to learn what moves the markets, the supply and demand, obviously. But once you learn those things, once you put in your time into learning everything about the gold pair, the XAUUSD, whether it's the silver, the XAGUSD, whether it's the platinum, the XPTUSD, whether it's the palladium, which is XPDUSD, you will not regret it. So come join us, come join our premium group, come learn how to trade spot metals the way they're supposed to be traded, and you will not regret it, guys. So hope you guys are having a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to also follow us on Instagram, and I hope you guys have a nice day. I'm out.